Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shafia, and in today's video we're going to learn about a very important topic in networking, the types of networks: LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN and CAN. If you are preparing for a CCNA, IT support roles or just want to strengthen your basics, this video is for you. So let's get started. Why networking? Why do we need a network? To share a file, resources and communicate efficiently. Network is the backbone of internet, business, education and more. So we have a different types of network for different types of needs. What are network types? Categorized by geographical scope, speed, device involved. Okay, LAN, local area network; WAN, wide area network; MAN, metropolitan area network; CAN, campus area network; and PAN for personal area network. So we will learn these 5 types of network. So let's get started. First up, we have a LAN, local area network. A LAN network that connects computers and devices within a small geographical area, such as a home, office or your school building. So LAN यानी लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क, जो जिसमें कंप्यूटर्स और डिवाइसेस कनेक्ट होते हैं विद इन अ स्मॉल एरिया, जैसे कि होम, ऑफिस and school. Okay, as you can see this image, there are different types of devices which is connected to each other via Ethernet cable. So this is called a LAN, and its key feature is it is a high speed. Okay, it offers high speed with low latency. Devices which is used in LAN is computer, printers, switches and routers, and example is home or office Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi you use at your home is a LAN, and the network in your office is also LAN. Next we have WAN, wide area network. Wide area network covers a very large geographical area, often a nationwide or globe, connecting with a multiple LANs and MANs. So this type of network area can cover very large geographical area like a country or even a whole world. So it connects multiple LANs and MAN. सारे LAN और MAN जब कनेक्ट होते हैं तब जाके हमारा WAN बनता है. ठीक है. So it covers large geographical areas like country or globe. It is slower than LAN but supports large scale communication. It supports large scale communication but it is slower. ठीक है, slower than LAN. LAN जो है बहुत छोटा सा एरिया कवर करता है, तो उसकी जो स्पीड है ऑफ कोर्स वो ज़्यादा है, हाई है. लेकिन वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क में ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि वो लार्ज स्केल पे जो है नेटवर्क कवर करता है, तो दैट्स वाई स्लोअर दैन LAN. Devices which is used in WAN: routers, satellites and fiber link. So routers and satellites are used in the wide area network. So and its example is internet and bank branches across the cities. So जो internet है is the example of a wide area network, and the bank branches in the cities. जो भी बैंक ब्रांचेस है, जो भी ऐसे बड़ी बड़ी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है, ठीक है, जो बहुत सारे सिटीज़ में अवेलेबल है, तो उन सारी चीज़ों को कनेक्ट करने के लिए वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क इज़ यूज्ड. So as you can see this image, there are multiple LANs are connected, and then it will make a wide area network. And the internet itself is a very best example of a WAN. So because it's a large scale, so it is owned by, maintained by multiple organizations and ISPs. So yeah, this is how WAN work, connects multiple LANs and MANs within it. Next we have MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. MAN covers a larger area than LAN, typically a city or larger campus, connecting multiple LANs within a same region. MAN covers larger area, okay, larger area like a city. and it can connect multiple LANs. As you can see this image, there are 4 LANs here which is connected to MAN. ठीक है, so it interconnects multiple LANs often owned by ISP और larger organizations. तो जितनी भी बड़ी organizations है या फिर ISP providers है तो वो वाले जो है मैन यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल कॉलेज कैंपस नेटवर्क और सिटी लाइब्रेरी नेटवर्क. Next one is a CAN, Campus Area Network. Campus Area Network is a type of a network that connects multiple LANs within a limited geographical area, such as a university campus, business park, military base. It's larger than LAN but smaller than MAN. एक ऐसा नेटवर्क जो मल्टीपल लैंड्स को एक लिमिटेड जोग्राफिकल एरिया में कनेक्ट कर सकता है, सच एज अ यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस. योर यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस इज़ लाइक अ कैंपस एरिया नेटवर्क, जिसमें बहुत सारे लैंड्स कनेक्टेड है विद इन अ स्मॉल एरिया. सो इट इज़ लार्जर दैन LAN but it is smaller than MAN. So LAN से बड़ा CAN है और CAN से बड़ा MAN है. Its key feature is it covers multiple buildings within the campus and it owned and managed by a single organization like a university. The high speed and secure internal communication. Fourth is centralized control and resource sharing like printers and servers. So see this image, this is a campus network where campus buildings are there. We will connect all the buildings like these are all the LANs and it connects all LAN within a small geographical area. So it is larger than LAN but it is managed by one single organization, example like a universities. Next we have PAN, Personal Area Network. PAN is a short range network used for connecting personal devices within a few meters. So basically ये short range network है जो कि connect करता है personal devices को within a few meters of range. So as you can see this image, these are all the personal devices and this is very few meters of area. So it covers a very small range of area and we can say it is a personal workspace. And devices which is used in this mobile phones, Bluetooth devices, smartwatches and PCs, whatever you have in personal devices. So all the devices are in a personal area network and it is a short range, minimum up to 10 meters. So personal area network, which is a very small network and which connects personal devices. For example, Bluetooth headset connected to a phone. So this is the PAN area. Real life examples of each network type. First is PAN, which is connect your mobile phone to wireless earbuds or a Bluetooth while using your smartwatch. So if you are connecting your phone to wireless earbuds and via Bluetooth you are using a smartwatch, so this is your PAN, personal area network. Second is a LAN. LAN is a local area network. Office computers, printers and servers connected via Ethernet or Wi-Fi on one floor, that is your LAN. Third is a CAN, a university network connecting library, labs और hostel across a campus. So library है, labs है और जो भी hostels है, तो इन सारी चीज़ों को कैंपस में जो कनेक्ट होता है, नेटवर्क कनेक्ट करता है, इसको CAN कहते हैं, कैंपस एरिया नेटवर्क. नेक्स्ट इज़ MAN. Mumbai University's multiple campuses connected across the city by a fiber link. So there is a university which has multiple campuses in one city. So they will connected by a fiber link. So this is your MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Fifth is a WAN. WAN is a wide area network which covers very large scales of a geographical area like a country or a whole world. Is a multinational company like TCS or Infosys connecting offices across a continent. So like a big companies, organizations like TCS or Infosys, they are connecting their offices across the continents, across the countries. So this is called a WAN. Now let's quickly summarize what we learned. LAN, which is a local area network, which covers small area like a home or office, a home Wi-Fi or office network. Second is a CAN, campus area network, which connect multiple buildings. Example is university or a campus, company campus. Third is a MAN, metropolitan area network, which cover city or campuses. So university network across the cities. Fourth is a WAN, wide area network. It cover country or globe. Example is internet, global companies networks. And fifth is a PAN, personal area network, which covers few meters up to 10 meters like for a personal use. And for example is Bluetooth headset or phone host. So remember, use PAN for personal devices and WAN for when your network goes global, and MAN for linking across city, CAN to connect entire campus, and use LAN inside a single office. Each has its own purpose, size, and structure. Thanks for watching. I hope this comparison helped you understand the differences between these 5 network types. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below if you want me to cover any specific topic. See you in the next video.